Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to create and send a broadcast message. Broadcast messages allow you to communicate with multiple recipients at once. To get started, click the Send button at the top of the left-hand navigation bar and click Broadcast in the workspace. Creating and sending broadcasts is a three-step sequence. In step 1, we'll define recipients. Then, we'll create our message, and finally, we'll set sending conditions. Begin by naming your broadcast. Choose a descriptive name that will be easy to find after you've created many campaigns. For example, naming a broadcast Sales Blast might seem descriptive, but calling it 2025 Winter Sale Initial Message will make it easier to track. Next, you'll select a recipient list. And if you have users who opted out of messages, an unsubscribe list. When you're ready, click Next. Now, we'll create the message. Select your sender or sender list from the drop-down menu. If you have a template you'd like to use, choose one from the drop-down menu. Otherwise, type your message into the message field. You can use tokens to personalize your message. Once your message is written, click Next. The last step of our broadcast is setting the sending conditions. You can send a message immediately or schedule it for later. You can also create recipient segments, but we'll cover recipient segments in another video. For now, we'll choose No Segmentation and schedule our broadcast for tomorrow morning. Once your time and date are entered, click Submit. After completing these steps, review the summary screen. You'll see a breakdown of recipients, segments, and estimated costs. Once everything is ready, click Send. And that's it.